Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall a game from your Epic Games launcher on your PC. This is going to be a nice quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Epic Games application. What we're going to be doing is coming to our library here on the left. We're going to be clicking this open, and here we're going to see a list of all of our current games. The first thing we want to do is filter this list to make sure we only show the installed games. So here we can only see the games that are currently installed. From this point you can select any game you want to uninstall. So for today's video I'm going to be using Subnautica as an example. You're simply going to be coming to the three dots right next to the game. And we're going to be looking for the uninstall option here at the very bottom. Simply want to left click this. We then simply have to click uninstall and confirm in this pop-up, and just like that our game is going to start to uninstall, and in a couple of seconds it should be gone and removed from our PC. Anyway guys, I want to give this moment to give a huge shout out to the channel members Sean Daly and Joshua Davis. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you'd like to have your name shouted out in future videos or some other perks, be sure to click the join button under any video on the channel. It would really help me out and I'd really appreciate it. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and next time as always, keep it saucy. Peace.